sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure, head in the clouds, but my gravity center. Touch my neck and I'll touch yours. Me and those little high-waisted shorts. Oh, he knows what I think about, what I think about. One love, two mouths, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us. Find out nothing I really wanna tell you about. No, it's too cold for you here now, so let me hold both your hands in the holes of my sweater. I might just take your breath away. Don't mind if there's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides your mind, so